Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, sharing with you all an amazing 5-bedroom detached property. This is Hampstead from Redrow Properties. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. Now this is located in Tingley near to Morley, Leeds. Going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have the garage, living, kitchen with dining and living space, utility and a washroom. On the first floor you have 5 bedrooms with 2 bedrooms having the ensuite and a common family bathroom. Now as you enter the house you'll find a lengthy and spacious hall in front of you with various partitions made towards your living, kitchen and dining space and the upstairs. So let's explore the living room first. These are eco-electric new homes, and in the ground floor you have underfloor heating for all the rooms. As usual, it's a beautiful living space with really good style and comfort. You have the extended bay windows towards the front end, so plenty of natural light falling in the living space. You can easily plan 2 to 3 sofa sets and a TV set, and there's plenty of room space to walk around. Well, this is a new development site at Tingley. If you're interested in Redrow properties, do check out this location. Overall, a decent living room with really good space and style. Now moving towards the other rooms of the property. So you're getting your kitchen and dining just behind the living room. Well, it's an amazing kitchen with really good space, given both in length and width. They have planned the living space or the extra family space, whatever they call, towards one side, and towards the other side you have the kitchen with the utility access. Now here in the space you can plan your dining table if you want to, or you can create a living space like this with television and sofas arranged, or you can also use it as a gym, whatever you want to. Really good space, and you also have a window, so plenty of light falling in this space here. You also get a wide garden with a fence around it. Now moving towards the kitchen space. It's an amazing kitchen space. As you can see, you get this extended worktop on 3 different sides, and it's quite wide as well. You also get this integrated fridge, freezer and double oven. These are standard. Now in the show homes they always go for the upgraded versions, but normally when you buy a property you get the standard stuff, like on the worktop they might provide you the wood frames or something like that, but if you want to go for the upgraded versions of granite or quartz you have to pay on top of it. And here they gave the induction cooking. Now if you want to go for the gas you can. So you do get plenty of cabinets at the bottom and even on the top, and there's a nice window towards the kitchen side. And from this kitchen space you also have access towards the utility. Again, it's a decent space. You can plan your washing machine and dryer here. You also have the garden access through this utility. They try to give some additional storage space in the kitchen like this. Now it's got a door and lock as well, so you can plan some kind of storage in here. Overall, a decent kitchen with really good space. Now before moving towards the first floor, let's check out the washroom here in the ground floor. This is the washroom here. It's comparatively smaller. There's no window inside. You have the exhaust water closet and sink. You also have the garage access from inside here. That's the other door. We covered all the rooms in the ground floor. Now moving towards the first floor. On the first floor, we have 5 bedrooms with 2 bedrooms having the ensuite and a common family bathroom. So first exploring the master bedroom of the house. So this is the master bedroom of the house. It's a double bedroom. It's actually bigger than a regular double bedroom. You can plan a king size bed like this, and there's plenty of room space to walk around. You also get this extended bay windows, so plenty of natural light falling in this bedroom. And also because these are extended windows, you get that extra space. You can plan your wardrobes like this towards the front. There's really good space. Now moving towards the ensuite. So this is the ensuite. It's quite wide actually. You have a really big walk-in shower, water closet, sink, and there's a nice window. So the ventilation is good. So this was the master bedroom of the house. Now moving towards the second bedroom. So just beside it you have the second bedroom, and this is also a double bedroom, and you have an attached bath even to this bedroom. But this is comparatively smaller than the master bedroom. You can plan a double bed like this, and there's decent space to walk around. You get a nice window towards one side, so plenty of natural light falling in this bedroom as well. And towards the front you get this attached bath. The space is really okay. You have the walk-in shower, water closet, sink, and they gave a window even in this bathroom. Now beside this bathroom space you can also plan a wardrobe like this towards the corner. Overall a decent bedroom. Now just as you come out of these bedrooms, here you have another space with the water heater provided. They gave a door and lock. And just opposite to this you're getting your third bedroom of the house. This is a double bedroom again. The space looks quite okay. You can plan a double bed or kids bed, anything, and you have really good space to walk around. There's a wide window even in this bedroom, so the ventilation is good. Now just opposite to this bedroom you're getting the family bathroom. Again it's a wide bathroom. The space is really good. You have both the bathtub and also the walk-in shower, and there's also the water closet and sink. You get a nice window, so the ventilation is really good. Now walking through this lengthy corridor space and checking out the beautiful paintings, let's check out the fourth bedroom of the house. Again, it's a double bedroom, but the shape of the room is slightly different. The space looks quite okay. You can plan a double bed like this and you have decent space to walk around. You get a nice window towards one side, so the ventilation is good. You can also plan a wardrobe like this in this room. Overall, a decent bedroom with good space. You can plan it as a kids' room, guest room, anything you want to. They also gave a wide window in the corridor space, so it won't be dark even in the corridor. Now checking out the last bedroom of the property, that's the fifth bedroom. Now this is a single room. It's slightly bigger than the regular single rooms and smaller than the double room. The space is given in length. If you want, you can plan a cot or you can use it as an office space or study, anything you want to. You get a nice window even in this room, so the ventilation is good. We covered all the rooms in this property. Overall, a decent property with really good style and comfort. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe it and also activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.